Hey there! Today we're unboxing and reviewing the STARTRC VCR carrying case. It's designed for carrying your camera, GoPro, drone gear, or other accessories, and it's super handy for travel or everyday use. Inside the box, the case comes neatly packed in a Ziploc style bag, and right away you can tell it's built with quality. The one I got is a light gray color with hard plastic bottom and top for extra protection, and a clear see-through cover so you can easily spot what's inside. It also has dual zippers and a handy carrying handle at the top. Opening it up, here's what you get. First up, there's a user manual, then the shoulder strap, a scoring tool, and finally the removable divider sections that lets you customize the interior layout to fit your gear perfectly. Okay, so let's take a look at everything in detail. First up, when reading the manual leaflet, it tells you that you need to use the included small scoring tool to score the edges of the clear plastic top so you can peel off the protective film before using. After that, here I am showing you how to actually put the carrying case into use. You can remove the dividers and first place the items you'll be carrying, then adjust the dividers to fit your setup. As you can see here, I've added my DJI mic, strap, and batteries. There's also an extra Velcro strap inside to keep everything securely in place, adding an extra layer of protection. Once everything is organized, close the cover, zip it up, and that's it for the case setup. Now let's attach the shoulder strap. The metal clips are silver, shiny, and feels very high quality. They attach easily and have a good length to them. Plus, there's a shoulder pad, so it won't dig into your shoulder when you're carrying around your gear. So, if you're looking for a case that is stylish yet functional, I would highly suggest you pick up this STARTRC VCR carrying case. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.